Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Suzuki GSX-R600. This sport bike has just a little over 4,600 miles on it and is still in excellent condition, even with a light tip over on the left-hand side. So let's take our walk around it. I'll show you the highlights that are on it, what we found, and then we'll fire it up for you. This bike comes with a dark tinted windscreen. Tires on it are in great shape, got plenty of miles left on them yet. Comes with CRG adjustable levers, aftermarket grips and bar ends. It also has a Two Brothers Silver Series pipe on it and a fender eliminator. You can see by the back tire that's still in great shape, plenty of miles left on that. Actually, it looks fairly new. So on the tip over on the left hand side, we've got a little scuffing here on the edge of the tail. It's pretty light. The bike also comes with a tank pad, and the engine cover took it here a little bit. So, and again, aftermarket grips, bar ends, and the CRG adjustable levers. So looks like even the mirror fared well. We got one little scratch right here and a little scuff here. So it was pretty light, but it did get the engine cover, so all minimal and all cosmetic. Alright, show you those miles now. 4615 is what's on it. Set the camera down here. Bike also has a fender eliminator on it. This GSX-R600 will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and for the entire time you own the sport bike from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.